Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode I'm going to make a Rootbeer White Russian. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. And Mookie and I are going to head out to Jameson's Pub. We're going to have a Bison Burger and some Jamaican jerk chicken wings. So sit back, relax, and have a drink. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great show coming up. We're going to get started right away with Appies with Chappy by the lake. Then Mookie and I are going to go out, get some takeaway, and take the food back here and have a little snack. I think Mookie's craving some pub food. So we're going out to Appies with Chappy by the lake right now.
Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thank you very much. Get the hell away from me, Mookie, you little hound dog. Come on now.
Aloha and welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today for an appetizer I have some fruit kebabs. So on this fruit kebab I have a peach, pineapple, raspberry, cantaloupe, blueberry, strawberry, green grape. So that is my fruit kebab. So to go with my appetizer, of course, we need to make a drink. So today I am going to make a Rootbeer White Russian. So just the normal components of a regular White Russian. I'm going to go Kahlua, some vodka, and make sure you get a nice root beer. I have some A&W root beer. And then just top it off with either some heavy cream or milk. Today I'm just using 2% milk. On my Spam Musubi episode where I made a White Russian, I actually hand whipped some whipping cream. But today we're just gonna go with a little milk. And I'm just using a spoon to help layer it. And that is a Rootbeer White Russian to go with my fruit kebabs. Thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Those are my Jamaican jerk chicken wings. They're $15.50 a pound, but on Tuesdays they're $10 a pound. And this is my Bison Burger. They say bison meat is quite lean, but I've had this burger before and I found it actually very juicy. That is the blueberry barbecue sauce. And then of course you get your choice of sides. I went with a Caesar salad. We'll get this bad boy plated. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We're saying life is hard, that's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar. What's that, Mookie? Oh, Mookie says don't forget to subscribe.